Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to show you guys how to do faux freckles without having any faux freckly products. Like, you know how there's like the freck thingy, the tiny little freck thing to make freckles and stuff? I don't have that. I want it so bad though. And then you know how there's like freckle pens? ColourPop has one. I had it. I finished it. I don't have it anymore. So I thought it would be a great idea to, do a video on how to do faux freckles because I love faux freckles. They're so cute. But if you don't have any faux freckle products, you can still do them at home, even with the makeup that you have. You don't have to go out and buy a freckle pen or a freck little dot thingy. You can use what you have at home. I hope. I haven't tried any of these methods out, so I really am nervous to see which one works, but I'm excited to see which one works because I love faux freckles. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product or method that I want to use is a brow pen. So, they have freckle pens, but this is a brow pen. This is the Milani Weekend Brow Eyebrow Tint pen in the shade Espresso. Now, I love this for my brows. I didn't use it today for my brows. I use powder, but this thing is really good for brows. If this works, this would be a great alternative to the freckle pen because, it's still a pen. So let's see if it works. Now, when I used to have the freckle pen, I do my freckles. Some people do freckles like on top of their makeup to finish the look, but I don't like that. I like to do my freckles as soon as I finish my foundation and then put on my bronzer, contour, blush on top of the freckles so that it looks more natural. Also guys, my lips are burning right now. I put on the Too Faced lip injection and my lips hurt so bad right now, but do they look plump? Probably not because I have tiny lips, but anyway, let's get started. So I'm gonna try this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it the same way that I used my freckle pen. Okay, let's just see what happens. We're just gonna dot our face using really light pressure and then see if we can blend it out. You see, I already noticed a problem here. With a freckle pen, you can dot it on your hand or whatever on your face and then you can blend it out. But you can't do that with a brow pen. So I am not sure how this is gonna look, but let's see. Right off the bat, I don't like how it looks. It looks really bad. Whoa, no. This looks, okay, I'm gonna stop right here because this doesn't work. It does not work. This, no. Look at it. No, absolutely not. I could have kept going and tried to fix it, but there's literally no fixing this. I don't know. But let's see if putting on products on top makes it look a little softer. Let's just see, right? Should I put a little more? I don't think I should, but I am already doing it, so. I just wish you could blend it with your finger. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stop. This looks terrible. If you're trying to make it look extremely fake, extremely you can tell that it's fake, go for it, of course. But if you're trying to make them look natural, do not use this. This is, no. But let's see, we're gonna put on our bronzer, our contour, everything on top and see if it works. I'm just gonna really quickly show you what I'm using for that and then I'll just fast forward. So first of all, I'm using my Cover FX Perfector Face Palette and I'm using this contour shade right here. And so I'm just gonna contour my face, see if that makes a difference, which I don't know, maybe it will, you never know. Then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I don't think it's going to make a difference. So far, it's not making a difference, and all we need to put on now is blush, so that is pretty scary. Okay, and now we're going to put on blush. And I'm using the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is what it looks like. On camera, it doesn't even look that bad. I don't know if you guys know, it really does look bad on camera still. It looks terrible. Look, you see how harsh that is? Over here, it does look way more natural. It looks better here because, we layered the contour, the bronzer, the blush on top of it. So it does soften it up. But around the nose and over here, it looks way too harsh. Extremely way too harsh. I would rate this one, a 2 out of 10. Okay, I think a 2 out of 10 because From afar and on camera, like if you're seeing me from here, it doesn't look that bad. But in person, if you saw me in person right now, you'd be like, girl, take that off. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next method, which is really fun. I'm really excited. It involves a toothbrush, a clean one, a new one, don't use yours and don't use it again, and cream contour. I have this Measurable Difference concealer collection, so they're concealers, but so I'm gonna just take my toothbrush, I'm gonna dip it in here, and then I'm just gonna like spray it on my face, see if that does anything. So yeah, I'm taking my toothbrush and I'm just like dipping it in here. Oh my god, it's okay guys, this happens. Actually, you know what, that's actually better because I could just take it and just, okay, I think that's good. I'm really scared. Okay, so now we're just gonna spray this on our face, which honestly nothing's happening. I just got my finger really dirty. Nothing is happening. I got like 2 spritz and then my finger's dirty. Let me grab some more, see if that does anything. I heard this method works. What's happening? Do you guys see anything? Because I see nothing. It's literally only getting my finger dirty. Look at this. I'm gonna stop. It literally did nothing. I think this method is gonna work with powder, so I'm gonna try that next. I got like a few spritz, but you literally can't see anything. I rate this a 0 out of 10, but I'm not giving up. I am gonna try that again, but with powder. So I'm just gonna clean this. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but ew, no, I made it worse. Okay, let me just grab my contour over here, and I'm just gonna dip my toothbrush in here and just like tap it, and see if that makes a difference. Let's see, guys. Again, it's just getting my finger dirty and nothing is happening. Maybe if I take a darker brown, it would work, but like a darker brown. I'm gonna take this brown from Alamar Cosmetics. Guys, it's literally doing nothing. Look at my finger. It's just doing that to my finger. Getting it super dirty. It's not doing anything. I give up. I quit this one. Literally did nothing again. So far, not so good. Okay, I'm not giving up with the cream contour because I really think that would work, but just not spraying it. So I'm gonna take a brush, a tiny little brush, and I'm gonna dip it into the cream contour, and then I'm just gonna add freckles and see if that works. I think it would, to be honest. Hopefully, because so far nothing has worked. And I'm trying to find like alternatives to not buy a freckle product. So hopefully this works. So I'm gonna take the same contour that I used with the toothbrush, and I'm just gonna take some on the brush. Ideally, you would use like a pointy brush, like a small, thin, pointy brush, but I don't have that, surprisingly. So I'm just using an angled brush, and I'm just using the tip of it, and I'm just gonna start putting on some freckles. Oh, no, this is not working. No, okay, this would work perfectly. I already know. It would work perfectly if you had a thin brush. You could definitely do this. I see this working, but only if you had like a really skinny, tiny brush. Maybe it could still work if I just blend it out and just keep adding. Okay, wait, let me continue. I'm trying to find a way, guys. I'm trying to find a way. I love faux freckles, but that freck thing is so expensive. We need to find alternatives here. Then we're gonna take our finger and just blend it out. My finger, it just erases it. Okay, I call this a fail just because of this brush. If I had a tiny brush, I feel like it would work. And we're gonna try again the cream contour, but we're gonna try it with a bobby pin. I saw somebody online do this with a bobby pin and it actually worked. So hopefully, and you know, bobby pin has this little circle thing, you see? So I feel like that would be good to make freckles, you know? So I am just opening my bobby pin and I'm dipping it into the cream contour. I think this is actually working. Okay, it looks intense, I know. So we're just gonna take our finger, blend it out, and then we're gonna just add more and see how it looks. Honestly, this one doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna keep adding more, but I kind of like how this looks. I think it looks good, to be honest. I think it's gonna look way better when I put my contour, my bronzer, and my blush on top and like layer it. So let's see how that looks. Right now it looks like this. This is my favorite method so far, the bobby pin. So let's see how it looks with everything else. I added my contour, my bronzer, and my blush, and I think it looks good. I think it looks great, to be honest. This is what it looks like. Once you add the contour, the bronzer, everything, it looks good. I think this looks nice. It looks natural-ish. This is by far my favorite method. I think the bobby pin method is really, really easy to use because it already has that little circle on it. So it's really easy to just dip it into like some cream and just like dot it. And then you just blend it out with your finger, add more, and then just put on powder on top and it'll look good. I like this one a lot. This one I rated a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I really like this. Cream contour plus bobby pin, 100%. Try it, do it. Okay, and now finally the last method is to use brow gel. I have this one. I have no idea where it's from. What brand is it? I have no idea. It wiped off. I got it on my BoxyCharm like a while ago, so I literally don't remember. And then I have the Benefit Gimme Brow, but I feel like this one is gonna be way too dark to do freckles. Look at it. Look, I'm sorry about all the swatches. Look at this one. Yeah, that's way too dark. I'm gonna use this one because I feel like this one will be better. So I'm just gonna like dot it on my face. Oh, actually it does blend out. Like you can add dots and move it around. Mind you, this is the first time I ever tried this, guys, so I'm just doing my first impressions. What I like about it is that you can like dot it right here and you see that looks like crazy, and then you grab it and then you could take product and put it somewhere else. That's what I wish the brow pen would do, but doesn't. So I really like that this one does it. I love it. Wait, I actually like this one. This one looks good. This one, okay, this works so far. I like how it looks so far, and I still haven't put on my powder. So let me just do that real quick, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay. I'm just gonna finish my makeup at this point because that's the last method, so I'm just gonna finish. Okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup, and I actually love how this looks. I really like it. I think it looks really natural. Whoa! Like, I don't know if you could really pick it up, if it's really picking it up on camera. I don't think it is, to be honest, because in person, I like it. I just like how it looks under powder, you know? It makes it look way more natural. It's really subtle, super subtle. If you like that subtle faux freckle look, then definitely. My two favorite methods are definitely the brow gel and the bobby pin with the cream contour. Don't even bother with the toothbrush. Don't even bother with the brow pen. Try it with a brow gel. One that's a little bit too light for your brows. This one's way lighter than my brows. This is like a taupey brow gel. And then just a cream contour with the bobby pin. We have these all over our house. You don't have to spend $30 on the freck thingy. You don't have to buy a specific thing for freckles. You can just literally use brow gel or cream contour and a bobby pin, and you get the exact same thing. I think it looks great. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my god, guys, I love it. I freaking love it. Love it. I'm the type of girl that always uses that freckle filter on Snapchat or on Instagram. Like, I love freckles so much. So I really like how this turned out. I hope you guys too. I hope you guys give it a try. I hope this was helpful to you guys and saving you some money. Use what you have at home. You can do anything with makeup. Literally, you can use anything. Even like if you use eyeshadow for freckles, that can be good too. If you have a pointy brush, like a tiny skinny brush, you can do that. Perfect. I didn't try because I failed with this one. I don't have a pointy brush, so I'm not even gonna bother. But this really worked, and this really worked. I love it. I love it. Give it a try, guys. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful, like I said before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to follow me on all my social media down below. I also have a makeup Instagram if you guys want to follow that. It's called watchmepan. So yeah, thank you so much for watching again. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!